Good morning, I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. Today is Friday, July 2nd, and here's a look at commodities for the day. Oil is up slightly in early morning trade, even as worries about China's economic engine losing steam and persistent concerns about Europe's sovereign debt crisis, together with anxiety over U.S. growth prospects, keep the broader market sentiment negative. Traders will be looking to the release of the latest monthly jobs data released Friday morning for further clues on global energy demand. Gold, too, is gaining as a result of cumulative worries about global economic prospects. Traders have been buying up the yellow metal on dips as a safe haven from other assets that have largely been facing selling pressure. As of early this morning, Brent crude is up by 0.1% at $72.44 a barrel. Light sweet crude up by 0.1%, $72.99 a barrel. And natural gas is 0.4% lower, $4.83 a million British thermal units. Gold is up by 0.33%, $1,210.40 an ounce. Silver up by 1%, $17.97 an ounce. And copper 1.8% stronger, $2.93 a pound. Russian oil production in June averaged 10.13 million barrels a day, marking a post-Soviet record, according to the Energy Ministry. Exports, however, fell 4.2% from a year ago, even though production rose by 2.4% from June 2009. And Bulgaria's Deputy Prime Minister, Simeon Djankov, said that the country will make its final decision on building an oil pipeline that will bypass Turkey's Bosporus Strait after an environmental impact assessment is completed by February. Together with Russia and Greece, the three countries agreed in 2007 to build a 177-mile oil pipeline from the Bulgarian port of Burgas to Greece's Alexandroupolis for $1.25 billion. Britain's Dana Petroleum has been surging to its highest level in 19 months in London trading, following a takeover bid from Korea National Oil Corporation, even though KNOC stated that, quote, there can be no certainty that any offer will ultimately be made. KNOC had stated that it plans to spend about $6 billion in total worldwide on acquisitions this year, as it plans to more than double output by 2012. In the mining sector, BHP Billiton and Rio Tinto could join Xstrata in investing in Australia, as the government has watered down its plan to tax mining companies heavily. Prime Minister Julia Gillard, who took over after predecessor Kevin Rudd's plan to impose a 40% tax on mining profits, came under stiff opposition from mining giants. Royal Dutch Shell, too, has welcomed moves by the government to lower the tax rate. I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. For more news and market analysis, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trade the Trend. You can also receive more news by checking out our website, that's tradethetrend.com.